Hello students, I am Snigdha Verma. In the previous class, I taught you lesson number 1, the tiny teacher. And today I am going to do comprehension check with you. So start with the first question. The first question, the story of an ant's life sounds almost untrue. The italicized phrase means you have given 3 options: highly exaggerated, too remarkable to be true, not based on facts. You have to choose one from these, the suitable one, and then you have to fill here. The answer should be, the italicized phrase means too remarkable to be true. The next, complete the following sentences. Ant is the smallest. You have to complete this line. We can complete this way. An ant is the smallest, the commonest, and the wisest insect. Next, we know a number of facts about an ant's life because people have kept ants as pets and have watched their daily behavior closely. Now, question number 3. In what ways is an ant's life peaceful? We can write, an ant's life is peaceful because each ant's share of work does share its share of work intelligently and bravely and never fights with the other member of the group. Question number 4. How long does it take for a grub to become a complete ant? So, the answer we can write, after 2 or 3 weeks, a grub becomes a cocoon. After another 3 weeks, the cocoon breaks and complete ant appears. Or we can write, it takes 5 to 6 weeks for a grub to become a complete ant. Now next question, why do the worker ants carry the grubs about? The answer, the worker ants carry the grubs about daily for airing, exercise and sunshine. Next, what jobs are new ants trained for? We can write the answer, the new ants are trained as workers, soldiers, builders and cleaners. Question number 7. Name some other creatures that live in ant hills. We can write, some other creatures that live in ant hill are beetles, larger breeds of ants and the green fly. Question number 8. Mention 3 things we can learn from the tiny teacher. Give reason for choosing these items. We can write answer. 3 things we can learn from the tiny teacher are sense of duty and discipline, cleanliness and loyalty to the land where they live. These are the qualities. Why we choose this answer? Because these are the qualities that most humans lack. Or we can write, these are the keys of success of our life. So, this is the answer of your first part. And in the second part, these are the only exercise questions. They are only for discussion. They do not come in the exam. If you want, you can do, you can fill here. So, we will discuss here only for discussion. These are, what problems are you likely to face if you keep ants as pets? So, we have to discuss only these will not come in the exam. Generally, they do not come in the exam. So, we can write they spoil our food and sometimes they may enter our claws and they may bite us. So, this can be the answer. And this is next, complete the following poem and with the words of the given in the box, so we can fill it like that, like this. Soldiers live in barracks and birds in nest, much like a snake that rests in a hole. No horse is able to sleep except in a stable. And a dog lives well, mind you, only in a kennel. To say hi to an ant, if you will, you may have to climb an ant hill. So this way we have finished this. And now question answer of, this is a question answer finished of this chapter. We have finished this chapter, and next day we will start the new chapter. Till that, goodbye, have a nice day.